As we welcome 2025, a rare moon is anchoring us in our power, offering clarity, resilience, and trust in the journey ahead. This lunar event isn't just a typical new moon, it is a black moon, a rare phenomenon marking the second new moon within a single calendar month. Black moons are symbolic of potent new beginnings, amplified by their rarity and the reflective space that they provide to step into our next chapter with pure intention. Capricorn, ruled by Saturn, is the zodiac's architect, focused, disciplined, steadfast. Under this black moon, we are asked to align with our long-term goals and commit to the structures that support them. This lunar event is a call to pause, reflect, and redefine our sense of purpose as we prepare to welcome a new year, whole new frequency. It challenges us to face limitations, release outdated patterns, and step forward with clarity, resilience, and trust in our ability to co-create a future that is aligned with our deepest values. Like the void that always occurs before creation, the shunya, a black moon, embodies the fertile potential of empty space, a moment to clear away the old and set intentions with this heightened clarity and focus. It's a cosmic pause that allows us to dig deep into the core of what we truly desire and prepare the internal ground for the growth that is coming. The black new moon in Capricorn is a profound opportunity to close this year with purpose and intention. It invites us to release what no longer serves us, step into greater alignment with our truth, and build the structures that will support our dreams in the year ahead. With Saturn's wisdom and Capricorn's steady energy, we are guided and supported in our growth that does require both vision and discipline. So join me on Monday, December the 30th from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. for a deeply profound experiential Kundalini activation with sacred sound medicine so that we can pause, reflect, redefine, release. All ages, levels of experience, genders, always welcome. Offered in person and live streamed. Sat Nam.